Hello everyone, today we're going to learn about a fantastic way to make our Turtle graphics interactive through event handling. Event handling allows your programs to interact with the user through keyboard inputs, mouse clicks and other actions. This makes your drawings more engaging and fun. To respond to user inputs, we need to set up listeners that wait for specific events to happen. In Python's Turtle module, we can listen for events like key presses or mouse movements using specific commands. But do note that it's important to remember to select or click the canvas before trying key press events. Let's start by making our turtle move in different directions using the arrow keys.
So in this code you can see that we've got 4 functions: move up, move down, move left, move right. And within each of those functions we first of all are putting the turtle in a particular direction, for example north, south, west or east, and then we are making the turtle move forward 50 units. Now these functions don't do anything on their own until they're called. Now down here we are calling these functions on particular key press events. For example, when the up arrow key is pressed, we are running the function move up, and when the down arrow is pressed on the keyboard, we are calling the function move down, and so on. We've got this screen.listen to ensure that we're listening for these events. Now if I click in the canvas after I've run the code and I start using the arrow keys, you can see that the turtle is doing exactly what it's been asked to do. Depending on the key event that is being clicked, for example up arrow, down arrow, left or right arrow, the turtle is being set off in that particular direction and moved 50 units.
Okay, besides moving the turtle, we can add more interactions like changing its colour or clearing the drawing. Let's add functions to change the colour randomly and to clear the screen. We'll add this code to our previous example.
So here you can see I've added 2 new functions. One's called change colour and the other one's called clear screen. Now with change colour, each time this function is run, a list called colours is declared and we set the turtle to a random colour from that list. With the clear screen function, every time it's run, the turtle is cleared. Down here you can see that we've got 2 new on key events. When the C key is pressed, we can change the colour of the turtle, and when the space bar is pressed, we clear the screen. Let's take a look at this in action. So I can draw my turtle using the arrow keys, and if I press C, it's changed colour. If I press C again, it's changed colour again, and again, and so on and so forth. And if I press spacebar, everything clears.
Now that you know how to handle basic events with Turtle, you can create a small game or an interactive drawing program. For example, you could create a program where the user guides the turtle through a maze using the keyboard, and the turtle changes colours when it touches certain parts of the maze. Thanks for joining me today. Keep experimenting with event handling to make your Turtle graphics interactive and fun. Happy coding!